Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can favorite comments on TikTok. You can do it on someone else's video, or you can also do it on your own video, like the comments on your video. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to select the comment button and select a comment, like press on it for a few seconds. And then press add to favorites. Now you're going to find that in your profile, so press your profile. Then click on the saved button. And then as you can see in comments, there the comment that I favorited will be there. So you're just going to wanna sort of scroll and find the comments and then go there. And then here you can reply with video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!